This is a Nikon electronic format RAW photo. It contains huge amounts of data. Windows photos might look blurry or blank unless you install the Nikon codec pack. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install it. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single NEF file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. The NEF is officially classified under the Comprehensive Camera RAW File Architecture. The data is officially packaged using Nikon RAW Image technology. The NEF file extension represents Nikon's RAW image format. These files contain minimally processed data directly from the camera's sensor, preserving a high level of detail and dynamic range. NEF files offer greater flexibility for post-processing compared to JPEG images, allowing photographers to adjust settings like white balance, exposure, and contrast without significant quality loss. NEF files store image data in a non-compressed or lossless compressed format. They contain metadata about the camera settings used when the image was captured, including ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and white balance. The file structure is proprietary to Nikon, but it is widely supported by image editing software. NEF files require specialized software for viewing and editing. There is a direct software link between NEF and Nikon Capture NXD by Nikon Corporation. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows may not interpret camera-specific RAW details, so editing must occur in compatible tools. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your NEF file and click Open With. If Nikon Capture NXD is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If the NEF file won't budge, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, use Adobe Camera Raw. Open the file using Adobe Photoshop's Lightroom with the latest Adobe Camera Raw filter installed, or Nikon ViewNX-i. Next, check codec. Install the Microsoft Camera Codec Pack, Win, or Nikon codec to enable thumbnail viewing and basic opening in default viewers. Finally, convert to DNG. Use Adobe DNG Converter to convert the proprietary .NEF file to the Universal Digital Negative .dng format. If resource-limited software proved insufficient, the NEF file now requires a final authorized option. The specialized tool is the essential next step to try. Your best next step is FileMagick. It opens almost every NEF file type and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Don't forget to check out the Universal Viewer.